Hi guys, this is Userone, and we're gonna be doing more programming. There's no specific reason why I haven't been making more of these videos uh, immediately after. They were actually doing quite well. Actually, more well than I expected. I'm still sick, as you can hear me. It's very difficult to make videos once a day. Oh my God, go to load is still here. Get out of here, go to load. We don't need you. We don't use go tos anymore. Okay, right. So we're gonna be continuing working on character creator, and I have improved on the thing, basically the sample. I believe I'm improved on it. So you see, the John Smith character still doesn't use that kind of stuff, but hey, it's cool. No, okay, close that. Sample name. There we go. Okay, so if we press that here and we place this here, now we got our whole thing going very well. Now we got like a little hacking space, sort of. Anyway, yeah, this is not the best way to implement this. I had a lot of suggestions in the comments below, by the way. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, I'm actually considering retyping this whole thing, but at first I want to make it working. At least I want to make it to the point where it's working so that I know I can make a game out of this. And when I do that, then I might convert it into another programming language. Now, like I said, I am not in the best position to do this kind of stuff, especially not at 2 a.m. in the morning, but I just felt like this is necessary. Another announcement I want to make is this video, if I upload it, it's gonna be 1998th video that I've ever uploaded, which makes it this video alone will be actually I was doing confirmations here, right? I need to do confirmation. Basically, this video is gonna be 1998, and it just in 2 videos, it's gonna be 1,000th video. So for 1,000th video, I wanna do something special, and what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna do something clever. I'm gonna I don't know how to check. I don't even know. Format, confirm. Okay. So I want to do something special for my 1,000th video. It's gonna be a compilation of the best moments ever up until this point of 1,000 videos. Now that's gonna be just impossible to do. Like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to pull out. I guess it's gonna be to my opinion. I don't know how long it's gonna be. I mean, I'm gonna have to make it in a day. I'm not gonna have a lot of time to make it, so I'll be honest with you. It's probably not gonna be as good as it could be, but as good as it can be. But I'm gonna do my best and see what happens to it. Now about the server, as you can see, I'm not the best programmer at all, and you kind of have to be to make your own server, especially a multiplayer server, complete with community and stuff like that. I've had a lot of people reach out to me about community management and all that kind of stuff, and I love that, guys. You guys are willing to volunteer, do volunteer work, and that's just ridiculous in my opinion. That's just amazing. Why? Like... I'm sick right now. I shouldn't be talking. Okay. I want is subtext get whether or not gets whether or not a given subtext is larger text. No. Get subtext. Okay. Starts with, there you go. That's what I was looking for. Gets whether or not the given subtext starts with specified. Okay, there you go. The text to search within and the subtext to search for. There you go. Okay, so this is gonna be FM confirm, and I believe it returns true or false, right? Return true. Okay, it just returns true. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, right, so what we're gonna do is... Okay, I gotta be careful with this because, you know, we don't want to fuck this up. Okay, so this is confirmation window. What I'm making right now is a confirmation window. It's gonna come up every time I need a yes or no answer from a user. So, you know, I'm just putting it into this sub box so that I can just do confirm boolean every time. Boolean, by the way, means a value that's either a true or false. I learned that when I was trying to learn Python. I didn't get very far. Yeah, you gotta have dedication with these things. But you guys are giving me the dedication. That's the thing. You guys are giving me the dedication to keep making these videos at 2 a.m. in the morning. But right, so starts with in select, and then we're gonna go y, just y, and y is gonna stand for yes. And we already converted it to lowercase, so we're not gonna have any discrepancies. Ideally, we're gonna have check if it's empty at first. Do we have to do that? I'm pretty sure we have to do then. FM output. We should do a while. We should do this whole thing in a while. Yeah, let's make this whole thing in a while. While f confirm equals while fm output equals nothing. Okay, so make sure that at the start of this fm output equals nothing. This is just a play. So when I need to confirm something, I'm gonna call this function, which is do confirm boolean, which is confirming whether, which it's gonna pop up a question to a user whether something is true or false. Okay. I guess I could isolate it to demonstrate it better, but I don't think there's a point. We're gonna have a better demonstration of this later. Okay, so we're gonna format this correctly. There is better way to do this before you ask. Yes, there always is. There always is a better way to do something. I watched what's this guy called? He's a very smart guy who always wears a British guy who always wears a red shirt and talks about everything. Tom Scott, I think, maybe, I don't know. But basically he talked about programming and how you program and the testing of programmers. I would probably fail that test because, you know, while I tried to do my best, you know, it's probably not anything like it. Okay, right, in select, right, so if it's in select, I'm just gonna fm output nothing, and I'm gonna okay, right. No. See, I want to do an error message. However, error message requires FM text. However, this also requires FM text. So if I do an error message right now, it's gonna be it's gonna mess up the you know, it's gonna mess up the boolean. It's gonna change the whole aspect of boolean. Yeah, I can't do that, can I? Oh jeez, why is a boolean requiring an FM text anyway? Just have an output and that's it. Yeah, just have an output. Just have an output. It just don't require FM text, and that's it. Maybe FM text will only be required by error messages. I really doubt that. You know what? Why don't we just separate them? Text fm confirm boolean, and this is gonna be error message. So many s's in there. Now we have to change all of this though. This is not perfect. This is way far from perfect, honestly. Yeah, this is as far from perfect as you can possibly get while still having the program working. This is a botched operation. Hey, but you know what? As long as it works in the end, that's all that matters, right, guys? That's all that matters. I really hope I'm not gonna skip the server like this. It would be better for me to find a developer, an actual guy who knows what they're doing, and maybe pay them with cash at this point. The thing is, I don't know how much I want to invest into it if it's not gonna pay out. It just might be a waste of money. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's the thing about gambling. That's the thing about risking. It might end up a loss. But the thing is, even if it's a loss, it's still experiment. It's still something people wanted to see what would happen. And in the end, I think that alone is worth the trying. So that's why I want to do the server thing. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Okay, let's stop being distracted. Okay, FM output. Okay, so now we can do FM. Oh yeah. Also, we can't do any error messages anymore because we have to change the the errors. Yeah, we have to change all of that. Ooh. There we go. Just like that. FM text. Just find every instance of that. There we go. Just like that. FM text again. There we go. FM text. Find. No. I guess that's another error message. Error message within an error message. Okay, it looks like we're good. Okay, looks like we're good. Okay. So now instead of FM text, when I want to make an error message, I need to type FM error message and then do error message. I think that makes even more sense, honestly. So why not? Okay. Right. So FM error message is gonna be boolean output. Okay, here's the issue. Oh, it's gonna. So if I do this way, it's gonna confirm if it's if the response starts on Y, regardless if it's capital or not. If it's empty, it's gonna do an error message, but it's gonna decline if it's anything else, which is not what I want. So we're gonna have to do a couple of things. Let's do a check for FM decline. Text starts with in select N. Let's do N. So if a message starts with Y, they can type anything like yes, no, and it will be starting with Y, so it counts. And if it starts with no, it can be no, and it will still count as an N. So what matters is the first letter that they type with. Okay, right. Confirm. Do error message. FM confirm. Equals true. So the gist is they can't both be true at the same time because it checks whether the first letter is Y or N, and the first letter can't be both of them at the same time. Okay, so we shouldn't have any discrepancies there. Then fm output equals true, or maybe I should do fm output equals false. Man, I have no idea. Let's just do it like 1. I don't know, man. True. Let's go with true. Just keep it as true. This is not done optimally. I know. fm decline equals false. Oh, hold on. What am I doing? Okay. Right, so this is a little bit complicated, right? So first I call do confirm boolean. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna create a variable called format output blank. Then it's gonna log the fact that boolean was called with this value, which is a required value for this to be called in theory, if I don't forget to add it. Then it's gonna do log, and it's gonna log the thing. Then we're gonna open a while command. So while the output is empty, it's gonna just loop it, basically. Yeah. fm output. I don't know if there's a way to put them on one line. This is obviously not done properly. This is really botched together poorly. And this is gonna be a disaster at the end. Also, we need another error message here, which takes 2 lines, so that's also input unrecognized, and then we're gonna show the input. Okay, so at the end, so basically what this whole function does is it's gonna ask the user whether something is true or false. Let's just open a whole new thing and run it. Oh my god. I didn't have an end while, holy shit. Yeah, that's an issue. Yeah, hold on, these are supposed to be like up a notch, because it's all like another level. I don't know if this actually matters. That shows you how much I know about programming. It's cool, guys, it's cool. It's trying that matters. Okay. Alright. Let's see if this runs at all. No. FM confirmation is not assigned. It's never assigned. Let's just assign it here. Just confirm boolean equals. There you go. Okay, so now it's not gonna call it at any point. Actually, it is. John Smith. I actually have no idea what's gonna happen right now. 18. Are you sure this is correct? Yeah. Okay. So it did that. Huh. Did it call the boolean? I actually don't know if it called the boolean. It didn't call the boolean. This is just yeah. This is just type the text. Okay, so let's try using it. Let's try using the boolean already. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of all this, and we're gonna do format confirm boolean. This is gonna be a format confirm boolean. Then we're gonna do confirm boolean, and if fm output equals true, No, I have a better idea. I have a better idea. What if we... So this is the... Okay. While fm output equals false, we're gonna do this. And we're gonna make sure fm output equals false. So that there's no way around it. I don't think there would be, but it's a play safe that I wanna do. Yeah, just... Actually, I could just select this whole thing, can't I? Just select this whole thing and just... There you go. That, yeah, that's way easier. Okay, and while... That saved me 2 ifs. That saved me 2 ifs already. Okay, let's see. Okay, it runs. Already a good start. John Smith, 8. So 12 years old is not a valid character. What about 17? No, it's not valid. What about 100? 100 is not valid, but it's not displaying an error message. That's bad. Okay. Oh, look at that! Look at that! My little baby. Okay, so it displays YN right here, but the boolean already displays a YN. So I can display yes and it should accept it. Okay, yes, it did. Okay, let's try it again. John Smith. Okay, hold on. Let's just add a little bit of a text at the end just to make sure, just to like simulate. Now advancing to next step. And text window pause. This is gonna be like, I'm just gonna add this so that I know that the program would advance to the next step. Okay, John Smith, age 100, still no error message. Can I fix that? Can I fix the fact that why don't I just or character? Yeah, why don't I just do this? So now John Smith 100. There you go. That works totally. Why didn't I do that earlier? I'm just stupid. 12? No, I can't be 12. I can be 20 though. Is this all correct? No, this is not correct. And now it's gonna tell me to do it again. Okay. I would want it to... well, hold on. Can I just create Amanda Jacobs? Age... Look at this. You already created the character option right here. And we have Amanda Jacobs. And we create an age for her. It's gonna be added right here. She's 18. Are you sure this is correct? I'm gonna click Y. Pop. Advance to the next step. It doesn't save the age. Maybe I didn't... Oh, it did save the age. Never mind. Okay. So we have 2 characters now. That's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Okay. What else is important for us? I think we should also save the gender. I think that's pretty important. Why is gender all the way down here? I feel like gender should be just like kind of up there with I just feel like it should come before the let's just reorganize this a little bit. Let's have nationality be there. We'll just do that. I mean, it doesn't really matter because I haven't used any of that. It's just a text file so far. And put gender up here. There we go. Health. Now I'm thinking, should I add a mood as a need? I think I'll be editing this sample file a lot. Just the important thing is keeping it consistent across all of the characters, which is going to be pretty simple because I don't edit these manually. The program is making these for me, which is just fantastic. Okay, right, so let's get the gender going, right? Gender is just a boolean. You know what? Kinda wish I used the 1 and 0 as for a boolean. Yeah, let's just change that boolean to a 1 and 0. I'll just change that to 1 and 0 for true and false. Because then I can use it in math. In some sort of a workaround, you know? So it's false means 0. Means true. Oh, no, I can't. No, I can't do that. I can't do that because if it's empty, then it's also 0. Oh. Yeah, I can't do that. I can't do that. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We'll just have to do a little bit more stitching with the program. That's fine. That's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. Right, so, but I do think it, okay, so it's gonna ask for age, first name, last name, age, gender. Okay, so I guess age is more important than gender sometimes. I guess, why not? Does this have to be here? I think, yeah, it does have to be here, because these are the most essentials. We're gonna add gender and nationality, because everything else is kinda, we're gonna separate it a little bit. I feel like these are the most important facts about the character, because I don't think they can change. Well, I mean, okay, how do I put this? The first name, yeah, okay, all of these can change in real life. Age is obviously gonna be counting up, but these are like, gender, you can have a gender reassignment surgery, but I'm talking about biological gender. Does biological gender change if you have a gender reassignment surgery? I have to Google that shit now. Okay. Look at what SJWs are making me do. Biological gender. What's a biological gender? In humans, biological gender is determined by factors represented at birth. Okay. Absence or presence of Y chromosomes. Pretty sure that cannot change. Okay, let me just verify. Can you change your biological gender? Humans are most commonly said to have a sex change when they undergo sex reassignment surgery. That is a set of medical procedures to undergo by transsexual people to alter their sexual characteristics from male to female, from female to male. That doesn't answer my question. My question is a yes or a no. Can we change the chromosome? No amount of surgery, chromosome rejection or anything else will change someone's DNA from a man to a woman, or vice versa. That's all what I wanted. There you go. You cannot change biological gender. Boom. Ah, thank goodness. That was simple. So you can only be a male or a female. Well, that fixed the problem. It took me like 2 minutes. People have been dwelling on it for years, but I just Googled and solved the issue. There you go. You're welcome. If you were confused, you cannot change your gender. Alright, and while you can only alter your characteristics, obviously you can dress as a male, and you can, I don't know, what do men do that women don't? Like, they have short hair, but like, I can't think of anything that men do that women can do. In fact, I think women have these like makeup and dresses that are like considered exclusive to them by many cultures, which I feel kind of jealous about. Like, as in, not that I would wear high heels. I feel like they're like would put me at such a disadvantage in a combat situation or something. But also such high maintenance, I would probably never bother with that. But I just want to have the option. You know what I mean? That's what I want. I want to have the option. And I know I have the option technically, but realistically speaking, I live 300 kilometers away from Russia. It's not an option for me. Right, let's although I didn't meet one person who cross dresses, which is cool. Anyway, right, while gender equals, let's just not have it 0, and let's just have it male and female. I think it's gonna be simple. I think it's gonna be simpler that way. Let's just have them as just male and female. Fuck it. Okay. Alright, so gender, while gender equals unassigned. Oh, hold on, character gender. It's character gender, it's not just gender, it's also character gender. Oh, I want to look at the log file real quick. I want to see what the log file says. Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. My first log file. Oh, this is so nice. Look at this. Program start, menu displayed. Where's the last program start? There you go. Menu displayed. Value PR location is now new. System player data variable is now set, so blah blah blah. Error message displayed, character age. Yep. Confirmation boolean code. Are you sure this is correct? YN. Yeah, I gotta fix that real quick, by the way. I gotta get rid of this YN because it's gonna be displayed in the confirmation thing. Okay, yeah, I like this. Dude, I love this. I don't like this. I love this. Also, I made an item thing, and I'm gonna do the same thing that I did for characters as I did for items. I'm gonna have different item types, but we didn't even get there yet. Okay, so relax. We have consumable items, wearable items, weapons, and unusable. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with unusable. I guess they're gonna be like novelty or something. But uses, how many uses this item has? Does this item have units of measurement for this item? Max quantity. Yeah, all this is a long way. We're not even close to doing this, so we're cool. Alright. So let's go back to our character lists. We could just do like a live log updates. Just delete all of this and just have live log updating as we're using the program. That could be cool. Is it updating in the background? Yes. Holy shit, what? Oh. I forgot to delete it. Okay, hold on real quick. I'm gonna close the program and we're gonna start again. Let's see if it's gonna be live updating. I don't know how this one works. Oh yeah, it does, as long as I click on it. Okay, start the game. John Smith. Boop. Like that. Look at that. Basically live. 18. No, it's not correct. I actually want to be Amanda. What was the other character? Jacobs. Age 24. Why? There you go. Now advancing to the next tab. As you can see, that's the text that I made down here. We're making small progress. It's okay. We're halfway through. Not even halfway through character creator, but you know, we're somewhere there. Okay. As you can see, we have some information on Amanda Jacobs, and we're constantly changing their age because why would we need to be consistent with completely made up characters? Okay, character A, gender. Okay, so this is just gonna be a question. Text window. So I want to make this somewhat somewhat user friendly, you know what I mean? Select gender. Let's do 0 male and 1 female. No, okay, but 0 and 1 are really far away. Let's do 1 male and 2 female. Now people are gonna be like, why is female number 2? I'm gonna answer it very simply. 1 kinda looks like a penis. That's the That's the whole answer. Okay. 2 does not look like anything. It kind of looks like curves. Okay, whatever. We could do 3. That would be more appropriate, I guess. Now let's just keep it simple. Okay, there we go, just like that. And now we gotta in select text window read if in select equals 1, then character gender is confirmed to be male, else if in select is 2, then character gender is confirmed to be female, else FM error message unrecognized decision recognized option you may only select 1 for male or 2 for female. You know what, select, I'm just gonna clarify just so that I avoid any conflict in the future, you know, the society we live in today. Okay, do error message and if, and we should be good now. Oh yeah, though we also have to save the okay, we don't need to save that if we don't come through, so let's save it only after we come through. We're gonna save the full name, but we're not gonna save the anything that we don't have to save. So gender is number 4. Gender. It's all very simple. I mean, we could make it better, but I think this is as good as we're gonna get without going overboard. Okay, so Amanda Jacobs. Oh, I fucked it up again, didn't I? Okay, thankfully it doesn't save if you just type in the first name, so it's cool. Amanda Jacobs, age, whatever. Why didn't you ask her for her gender? What's going on? Ah, I mistyped assigned. Just keep it empty. Why did I even do that? It's a waste of time, man. Jesus. Start a new one. Amanda Jacobs, age 30 this time. There you go, select biological gender. Oh, you know what? I'm a tri-gender Firefox. Unrecognized gender, you want to select 1 or 2 for male, or 2 for female. You know what? I have 10 genders. Wait, I have 51 genders. I have 0 genders. Okay, I'm a gender number 2, female. Are you sure this is all correct? No. I'm gonna do it again. Amanda. Okay, you know what? We're gonna do John. just do John Smith. We are 40 this time. We are male. Yes. There you go. Now let's check it out. John. Look at this, male. Did Amanda save? She shouldn't save because we said no, remember? We said no. This is not correct, so it shouldn't save her. There you go, it didn't save. Good. Okay, now let's make sure we do save her gender. Amanda Jacobs. She's 24 and she's a female. Yes. There we go. Female. Okay. We're getting somewhere. We're getting like a little bit of a database going. You can create a character. Good. Now all these characters are on one world. I don't know if I'm gonna make it that's possible to create different worlds. I mean, that doesn't sound to be too difficult, but for one, we're just gonna keep it as simple as possible. And we haven't even gotten to interactions. We haven't even gotten to creating a world in the first place. Jesus. So far, we're just creating fictional characters that do nothing but exist. We just create. This is a. So far, this is a great, great database kind of thing. It's like you're registering to a website, except there's no password. All you type in is your name. You can't even log in. You always have to create a new character. Well, if you create the character with the same name, you just override the same information. Okay, right. I'm gonna have to do a gameplay at some point. We're gonna do nationality. And then, nationality. Okay, we're gonna have to create a fictional story right here. This is gonna be difficult. So we're gonna have to create someone's nationality. Alright, thank you so much for watching so far. It's kind of late. I have to go to sleep. I want to thank you guys so much for being with me for past 3 years. It's coming up 3 years anniversary, and I want you guys to stay awesome. Okay, bye.